Hey everybody! How's everybody doing today? Alright, let's go. Oh, we got a lot to clean out of our pockets because we did not clean anything out. We just went to bed. Let's see. Clint and Gunther. Nope, nothing in there. Those can go in there. That can go in there just so we don't blow up our farm. Okay, well that cleared a lot of that out. Alright, now we're starting fresh. Yeah, we'll go with that one. We really need to take that stuff to Clint and get him to open them. One's already in there. Gotta be something between those trees. Okay, got all those. Let's go back to this chest. That's still going. We're gonna clear those tomorrow. Emily. Okay. Who we need? Alright, I think we got all those. Now we need to go to the barn. Yeah, their grass is getting a little sparse. We might have to put some out. Can I get in there? Thank you, sir. Then let's get to this barn. Grab those. Not that one. Dang, we might need to make some more oil machines and put them down here. We're starting to collect quite a few truffles. Let's see. Slime, hardwood, and gold. I know that hardwood's not gonna be an issue. You back. Me and this mouse are gonna fight. This one's worse than the other one. Well, not worse, because this one works a little bit still. Let's put these down here. Try and get through some of this. There we go. Might as well. I don't think we're going to need too much more of that. If we do, we'll switch it out later. See, they're already throwing truffles in there now. All that's done. What is right there? Okay, just a weed. I was trying to figure out what in the heck was behind there. Thank you, Jones. Welcome in. How are you? We do not need to go up there. Those are still going, which means Grandpa's shed's still going. That just makes it so much easier. We don't have to... That's the wrong chest. Got a sore throat today. Trying to soothe it before streaming some night. Ah. Been there, ma'am. Trying to stream with your throat bothering you. Oh my gosh, that is awful. Yes, it is pink. We are using fairy gardens for our furniture. Overgrown flowery interface is kind of what's doing the house. What else do we have? I think that's the only ones. That's where the little hearts came from, is all the fairy garden decorations. And the little gnomes and the little water fountains. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, we are... The community chose for us to do a fairy theme this time, so... Fairy and gnome theme, so... What better way than having gnomes all over your farm? We even brought it over here a little bit. Not as much. Nowhere near as much. But we brought a little bit of the gnome stuff over here, too. I wish this light would make up its mind which way it's going to face. I try. I wish I had that in real life. As far as, the vision to decorate things. But these gnomes over here give me more vibes of, like, the little, Snow White and the little dwarfs from Snow White. But they work. No, we're not doing that. And we definitely wouldn't do it in 2 days, so... We still don't have enough. Not much else. I know, right? I feel like if I could do it like I do in the game, yeah, I'd have a lot more creativity when it comes to decorating in real life. Oh, there's our goose. They have auto petters, but still doesn't hurt. Right? I always tell people, I'm like, I have to be creative on here because in real life, I couldn't even draw a straight line with a ruler. So that's how much creativity I got. There is a link in my bio, where I list each farm individually that I've done, and this one has the complete list of all the mods that are in this farm, including the farm itself. This is actually Daisy Nico. If you've used any of the mods that does like the earthly recolors, she created this farm. It's called the Capitalist Dream Farm. So like all these little bushes and all these little cutesy like fences and stuff, that was already here. So I didn't have to do that part. Oh, I know what we can look for. We can build another obelisk. Let's do that. We've done the island. We could do the desert one. I don't know if we have enough iridium bars. We'll have to check. That's going to be our downfall. I don't think we have enough iridium bars made. No, no. No, we definitely do not. So let's make some iridium bars. No, there is never enough. Never. Thank you for all the likes. No, there is definitely not ever enough. And after every one of these types of games, I'm such a hoarder. Oh, I am too. But we've gotten a little more creative on this one, so we've went through materials so much faster. Like, having all the materials to do this down here was fun. Like, all these beehives that we did down here. Keeping up enough materials to do these. It took us, I think, even in-game, it took us 2 or 3 weeks to make this happen. Like, streaming days. I know, I love that part that it came out like different colors instead of everything. I'll show you what Grandpa's shed looks like with all the kegs and preserve jars, because they're done that way too. See, the preserve jars and the kegs are like that too. They're all multicolored. Go for it, please do. Hey, I get inspiration from others, so it doesn't hurt my feelings. It is. It really is. This could use a little help, but what we did was just planted one of every regrowable crop in here. So this is just... What I'm keeping all this for, that I couldn't tell you. Because this is our fruit chest. I don't really know why I'm keeping all of it. I know I don't need that much. Now, if I could just cook in this game, we'd be okay. But I put that off to the last minute. When I first started playing, I didn't decorate at all. I would just, okay, I put out everything I just needed and didn't worry about decorating. Like, I didn't worry about making it pretty or none of that. We just threw it out there and went with it. I was the same way in Animal Crossing when the first time I played it, too. I did what I absolutely needed to do to advance in the game. I didn't worry about how pretty it looked or anything. Let's check our trees. Okay, there's 9 mushrooms right now, so we must have cleared them yesterday. Nope. Like I said, I take inspiration from others too, and I take suggestions. The best mod that I downloaded when it comes to decorating is called... Where is it called? Hold on, because I don't want to tell you wrong. Happy Home Designer. I'll show you why. You know, normally if you get stuff out of the catalogs, you have to, like, get some and carry it. With Happy Home Designer, your catalog stays open and you can just flip through it and put down stuff wherever you want. That was the best. One of my community members actually suggested that. Because now you can just grab it and put it down instead of having to fill your pockets. Now, we ain't done anything in here, and this is the way it came, other than putting an aquarium in. Yes, I love it, because making it put those little stone paths down, it made it so much easier. Still took forever, but... Right, quality of life improvements. I did promise them, though, once 1.7 comes out, we'll do a vanilla run again. I don't think I've done a true vanilla run, not on stream anyway. We tried a couple times. But then everybody's like, well, add this and add that. And then I'm like, okay, it's not vanilla anymore. So. We're just at that funny part in this game. That you don't have a lot going on. Oh, there's Camilla. Oh, heck, where did Camilla just take us to? Oh. Me too, and I'm excited to see what he's going to add to 1.7. Your Nexus is beautiful, almost as good as mine. Oh, Lord. We're getting ready to go to the Badlands, I think. I hope you don't mind me borrowing you. There's important business we have to attend to. Oh, boy. Hold my hand. I don't wanna... I don't trust you, ma'am. Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of, too. It's been a while since I've played Expanded, so I don't know what they've added. Yeah, this looks dangerous. She just kidnapped us. What the heck? In this game, they're either going to kidnap you and take you somewhere, or they're going to give you, drug you, or give you drinks or something. I know, right? Oh yeah, this looks like a place we want to be. Because this is totally a safe looking spot. I know, right? Crimson Badlands. Oh no. Well, if they didn't survive, do we even stand a chance? Yeah, I know, right? Okay, so we're gonna make a... This is not gonna be good at all. Oh boy. I know, right? I was just minding my business. That's about as bad as the one where it drags you into the cutscene in Kiera's bedroom. Like, what are you digging through my stuff for? I'm like, I didn't ask to be here. It just threw me here. Razzie. She just disappears. She just leaves us here. Oh, she went up there. Just minding my own business, doing my own thing, and she just... I know. She's going to return us to our farm. Next time you feel the urge to adventure, consider lending Castle Village your aid. Oh boy. How nice of her to take us back home, I guess. Well then. She just threw us on our porch. Okay. I feel like it's not over. We're gonna have to go there ourselves, but I don't know that we want to do that today. I think we'll do that tomorrow. I don't know if they've changed anything over there, but if they haven't, it's terrifying. About as bad as the Witch's Swamp that they added here. I know we have some of these somewhere. Let's go up there and see what she added. Okay, so she added it up here. Like, I wanted to have them on here. I know I have a couple of people that have been in the community that have a difficulty hearing and stuff. And I'd have to send it to you. I did it through my OBS and added it. Okay, these people look interesting. We chose really late to come here, but I couldn't resist. We have to come see what's going on. Well, you are welcome. I want to make it where everybody can enjoy. And that way, if you can't listen with the volume up, you still have the closed caption. Well, she left. That's not good. This is Stardew Valley. We just have mods on it, so this is part of the expanded. Okay, that took us out. Oh boy, this looks fun. At least we have our slime charmer ring, so we don't have to worry about the slimes. Yeah, we're not going to survive out here. And the bad part is I don't have Crusader yet. We're not adventuring too far today. Yeah, this is totally not anything to worry about. I've got to get Crusader on my sword because these mummies are going to be annoying. Oh lord, there's flying things too. Oh, good God! Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Tater Farm. Oh, goodness! Oh, boy. No, you're fine. I don't think our fairy can handle this. I know where I need to go. I just don't want to go over there. Wow, we got scorpions. Okay, we gotta find some food source. Oh, it's fine. What do we got? Should be something in here. We need something. We gotta get back to the farm though, because it's like 10 o'clock at night. Alright. We're gonna come back better prepared tomorrow. I could use the tractor. But every time I use a tractor, it likes to freeze the game up. Yeah, we did come late. We're not doing that. Let's go back to the farm. Let's go back to the safe place. Okay, wait, let's see. Well, we collected some new stuff. Void Soul. Void Pebble. Don't know what we're doing with that, but okay. Where do we want to put these? I guess in here for now. Alright, well, have a good stream. Where do you stream at? Okay. Yeah, I'm on the purple app too. I will have to find you. My name is, well, it's pretty much the same over on the purple app. I know where we're going. We're going to the island because we need to see if we can fix this sword. You're welcome. Thank you for hanging out. Again, thank you for the follow. We need stuff. Need stuff. Let's try and see if we can get Crusader on this thing, because Bug Killer is not going to help over there, I don't think. Nope, that's artful. Try again. Alright, well thank you and welcome over to the purple app. Let's see, can I do it from here? Should be able to follow you from here. There we go. That way I'll have you too. Alright, we got Crusader, so we are better prepared now. Ma'am, walk. Thank you. I appreciate that. We could have just took the minecart, but you know. Oh, this looks like a disaster over here too, but we're not worried about this today. Go back to the farm. And now we can head to... Let's see. Anything needs to go in here? Yep, not much. Dang it, stop hitting the wrong keys. chest. Okay, what can we take with us? I feel like we have some life elixirs somewhere. Yes. Energy tonics would probably be helpful. Farm totem just in case we get in some serious trouble. I feel like we need something else for some food source though. Let's see what else we got in the fridge. I'm not making food right now. Got more of those we could take. Take some of the crab cakes. We need quick food source. But we also need to gather all this first. Because today's the last day. I know we're going to have to redig some of this tomorrow, but... Boy, that grass gone too. What would it be, a farm without potatoes, with us being called the Tater Farm? Okay. They're clear, so now all we have to do is worry about planning something tomorrow. Alright, there we go. Check our veggies. What do we have? We have 72 potatoes. I don't feel like we need to save any. We'll save the regular garlic for now, but we'll sell all this. Welcome in, Marco. How are you? How have you been? Okay, that wine's still going. How much longer does the wine have in here? Guess we're going to fix the preserve jars. The wine still has 3 days, so we don't want the preserve jars to sit for 3 days. So we'll need 60. Let's see what we have. How have you been, Marco? Oh, excuse me. I was trying to fight it, but there wasn't no fighting that. Come on, pick them all up, so I don't have to go back. There's something missing. What? There it is. Then there's that one. And then we'll switch out the one that's on the farm. Okay, Grandpa's shed. We put you in there. It is too late to go to the Crimson Badlands today. but we are daredevils, so why not? I say that. I was going to say, goodness. Oh, Jesus, what are you? Well, that was an interesting introduction to this area. At least now we can take out the mummies. That was the goal. We're surviving. I'm not saying we're thriving, but we're surviving. I don't normally take out the mummies or the slimes, but I'm taking out anything that's coming at me at this point. Okay, the scorpion's coming out of the ground. That's a little extreme. Uh-oh. Well, we didn't survive that one. Luckily for you, I arrived just in the nick of time. Be more careful out there, dear. It'd be a shame if anything bad were to happen to you. You put me out there, ma'am. Camilla saved me and didn't ask for anything in return. It also appears that I've lost 3 items from my backpack. Of course. But I should get those back. What is that? Wait a minute. Golden Outpost shop schedule. Well, today's the 28th, so it's Camilla, but what shop are they talking about? Because we can't come down off of here, so... Okay. We should get everything back because we set up everything with, the Avengers Guild. Okay. There's nothing really I'm worried about, but I think he'll send it to us anyway. We're gonna find out, because if I remember right, we'll get it back anyway. Let's go here. Here. does this do? Okay. I guess we'll find out. She didn't say anything about that I know of. We're just gonna put that back. Oh, we made pretty good money off the potatoes and garlic. Ugh. Okay. Back at it. Not at that. No. We will save that for another time. This mouse and me are gonna fight. And I hit the brightness key at the same time. Should get everything back in the mail. This mouse would agree with us. There it is. Here's what I found according to recovery service you chose. Be more careful next time. Okay. Dang, every one of our crops is gone. We're gonna have to redo all of this. It didn't take no time. Every one of our spots. I probably should have threw something down on them. Now we're going to have to fix all this again. But that's okay, because we're going to plant corn this time just to fill this in. So annoying. Bam! Come on. Get your stuff together. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. Why is she acting so weird? And this mouse are gonna fight. I wonder if the battery's dying in it. I wonder if that make a difference. I did not want you to do that. I didn't want you to do that either. Goodness. Or scarecrow. Let's try and fix this now. Now she's acting normal. I'm not charging her to full potential here so that do something somewhat normal. Yeah, but stay in the middle, she can't mess up as much. Alright, that's 2 done. We'll fix the outside edges. Now if we stand here, that's not what I wanted. I wanted it here. Okay, let's try this. Okay. We're getting there. Now we should just have to do the outside rows. No, where? Did I tell you to go that way? I don't know where that random potato came from. Guess we missed one yesterday. Ah, held it too long. Getting there. We won't have to do this again for a while, because I'm going to run corn, which will take care of summer and fall. Okay, I think we got them all planted. Oh, our wine's done in there. Move over one. There we go. Oh, Dang, it's 6 o'clock and all we've done is dug the fields. We haven't even planted anything. Why are you facing that way? You. Guess if I aim away from it, that's what it is. Oops. Hold on, we have to have water. I hate having to redo the crops. Dang, excuse me. Alright, now why are you acting crazy now? Ma'am. Stop. You're wasting so much water. Excuse me, goodness gracious. What in the world? I don't even know if we're gonna get them planted today. I didn't save anything good for... Goodness gracious, kangaroo, this tickle, whatever it is. Alright, let's go. Oh, we came over here to get water. At least we don't have to do this part but once. Is that the best way to water them? No. Okay. Let's look in here. I don't even know if we have... I don't think we have any corn seeds at all. I mean, we could do the squash. Where is it? You know what? We're gonna save ourselves. Controls. That works. Alright, time frozen. So we can get this done, because I do not want to have to redig these crops again tomorrow. That's not even enough for that field down there. I swear we had some corn left somewhere. Don't. You know. I'd use a tractor, but I'm so afraid we'd freeze. Oh, this is so time consuming, but at least we only have to do this once, and then we won't have to do it again for 2. What I should have done was cleared those crops a day early and put fiber down for the beginning of the season. Get Missy in that one. Don't think we missed anything. Right now we got time froze. So that is not what I was trying to click, but now I know what I was doing. We don't have enough of any of those. Right, put fertilize, but those take 14 days. That's going to take 2 weeks for them to grow anyway. It'll be fine. We'll just do it this way. Oh, we ran out. Okay, so it's not. I keep going down the wrong one. Okay, I don't think we missed any. We very well could have. Then we go here, and this is winery. Time. We need this one. Alright, and we'll start the day again tomorrow and see how that goes. We are going to have to save some of this corn because we used all of it to make seeds. And I know there's some recipes. Okay, it doesn't look like we missed anything. I made some rice. That way. Oh, there's 16, so we need just another round and we'll have it. He's away. Let's see what we got going in here. He and this mouse are gonna fight. Yeah, we're gonna have a bunch to grab. Hold on, let's put this stuff in there. Ooh, yeah, we're gonna have plenty to grab. Good grief, yeah. Dang, we're not even gonna have enough machines with all these machines to run them. We got every one of those machines running, that still wasn't enough. Go to barn. We're going in here so we can grab it here. Is there. I feel like we missed one, but no, they're all moving. Goodness, that was a lot. What happens when you miss a few days? We haven't had a chance to clean up with the new season either. What mod is the Mega Barn? It is called the Ultimate Barn and Coop. It holds up to 48 animals each. And it comes with auto grabber, auto petter, and the heater. So you don't have to buy any of those. Thank you, ma'am. I have to say, the trees were already here based on the farm I chose, but we put the mushrooms around them. And the little garnishes around them. How do we got a whole tree growing in here? Excuse you. Oh, here comes our fun part, our favorite part. Gather all the honey. I think there's 120 of these. Something like that. 120 or 160, I can't remember. I'm gonna get dizzy going around these things. Can't go all the way around that way. I now finished my birthday stream, and tomorrow I celebrate it with my family. I didn't even know you went live. Why did my phone not tell me you went live? I have y'all's stuff set to come through even if I'm streaming. Well, happy birthday, Justin. I don't think I have... Wait a minute. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know why it didn't show me. I'm going to find out what happened there. You're welcome. Like I said, if I had known. There it is. There we go. I'll at least play my sound alert for it. I hate I missed that. I have a thing for it over on the purple app too, but that was just easier to play. I don't even know where to begin with all this stuff we got in our pockets. Good grief. We collected from a lot of different things today. It's 160. That's how many of those hives there are. Do we need to do anything in here? Ancient fruit still has 3 days. Okay. We just changed the wine in the winery. That wine still has another day to go. We just did the preserve jars. I think that's everything. I think. Didn't sell much of nothing today. Let's see how our stuff is looking. We do need this and this because I know we need to go change these. Alright, we got those going. Need to make some more money. We need... to buy the other obulus. Let's see. I'm gonna take some of this stuff down to stuff we don't need. Save an even 100 of those. Don't need nowhere near that, but we're gonna save them anyway. So let's sell all this. Let's check our fruit, because I feel like we could purge some fruits. Maybe not as much as I thought. I mean, we could probably purge a lot more. Let's sell all the silver quality. I'm probably going to regret it and have to put them all back in here, but for now. Probably could go through some of this fish and stuff too. You know what? We're going to sell this row because we're not going to run it with all the fruit and stuff we got. Alright, let's go to bed early and let's see what this does. See if this gets us where we need to be. No promises. Yeah, I feel like that got us where we want to be. I hit the wrong one every time. Reserve jars are done again? Good grief. Okay. You know, if I'd spell it right, we'd pull it up. 10, 10, okay. Y'all ready to go spend some money? Let's do this. Dang, I keep doing it again and again, like I'm not gonna get the same result. Can we get to that one? Yes, okay. I kinda don't know if I like that as much. I think I want to get Robin to move that, and then we'll move that up. Not quite sure how we're going to do that yet. Hold on, let's clean this up. Make sure all these little extras are gone. I think we're gonna move some stuff. Hold on. That, let's see, hold on. Down there. Can't put that one there because of the darn. Have the pond behind it. Kind of do the same thing with this one. Okay, let's test it. We can use these two to test my theory. Have that one there. Like that. Okay. Okay, so that will work. That darn bush is what's throwing me off there. Maybe... That's what sit you. Still don't like that, though. Okay, so we'll leave them like they were. Kind of like that. But I can't put the pond there, because then I can't put one there because of that little bush. That's annoying. That was a cute house skin. Thank you. Oh, this is annoying. I want to put the ponds with them, but these little bushes are annoying. And see, I'd put the ponds here, but you can't put ponds there because of that bush. It's annoying. And then we'll put one here, maybe. And we can sit one back here, but let me see if one will fit back here. No. So that's gonna have to move over like that. As close as we're gonna get it. Because then we can put one. I'm using this one to test. That one there. And then have one here. Okay. What we're going to go with. I mean, I could have switched smaller ponds, but we could do that too, but I don't know if that's going to mess up our crops inside if we do that. I also don't know where to put our slime hutch. We might do away with some more crops eventually. Maybe. Trying to think where else we could put one. I wonder if we can incorporate the slime hutch somehow in the fairy garden. I'm not sure if we could put it, take part of this one out and have the slime hutch here instead of this. I know all these extra trees that have been growing over here we don't need. I don't know if I can get to that tree without moving everything. Or would the slime hutch fit here? And we just take this off. Hold on. We'll temporarily take this up. And you can sit there. I think that's just a decoration that was already here, so I don't think we can do anything with that. That's gonna be my worry. So maybe we put y'all back over here. We take this up and put the slime hutch here. I just want to look at the idea. I don't even know if we have the stuff to buy it yet. Oh shoot, I went right by it. Dang it, I went right by it again. I think we have the stuff for it, so hold on. 500 stone. Stone's not an issue. Stone. Let's see if that'll work. It fits. Alright, we're using our cheat and warp areas, and so we don't have to... Oh. That's because we just built the slime hutch. Never mind. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Tater Farm. Alright, let's go see how we feel about that. At least now we all have a reason to come up here. He's so gray looking inside there, though. So let's move you. You're gonna stand guard, I guess, of the hutch. But I think you look better over here. And then we'll put you there. Which means we could put the little stones up here now. And follow this path. What do we have? I don't know why I got that. We have a... See, I feel like it would have been better if it had come up there to walk the path, but it's okay. Now let's check. Island? No. Gold iridium battery. So we need that. Okay. Now we just need... I think we made one already. Good. We need... Go back in here. Slime in there. Okay. I think we have that set. Ooh, why'd you lag so bad right there, ma'am? Where is... Why'd I forget so quick I was coming back up here for? Oh, I just wanted to activate that catalog. I wasn't going to put stones up here because we had no reason to walk up here, but now that we put the slime hutch... Okay. I put this stuff away. I don't need this stuff anymore. I just need to go in there too. I don't think if we can put that tree with the swing anywhere. Not going that way. I feel like that would be better there than... But it won't fit there. And that's just too much there. Probably just get rid of it, because I can't think of anywhere else to put it. I feel like if it would go right there, but then it would just block not being able to walk to those, ponds. We could go there. That kind of works. No, she's not here anymore. We'll have to wait on her. Y'all, it's about time for us to start figuring out who we want to marry in this one. We need to figure that out too. Trying to think what else we need to do today. Not in there. Long enough just to grab that. Oh, we got another random tree again. Trying to keep this cleaned up so this stuff doesn't grow all around this. You know, we need to put the rest of our little stones right there, too. I think that's the only thing that grew in our... Right now, I'm just trying to clean up any of the stuff it left behind. Don't see anything else. Let's go this one. And I think we got everything cleaned up. Not the house. Alright guys, I think this is where we're going to end it for now. I know it's a little bit earlier than, or a little shorter than we normally do. I will try and come back tonight. Tomorrow's going to be a little crazy. There'll probably only be a night stream tomorrow night. My daughter's got some senior stuff tomorrow. We don't know what time that's going to get over. So, I will probably see y'all again maybe tonight and then tomorrow night. And we'll try and go as much as we can next week, because then after that I'm gone for a week. But I appreciate all the new followers and all the likes. And I will see you guys next time. I am going to run credits for those over on the Purple app.